friends, welcome back to part 2 of your reading lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about things or talking about things that you have learned to do as a reader or writer, or just things that you have learned since reading The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. In part 2 today, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. We haven't done this in a while. We are going to be looking at 3 pieces of art with Miss Spears and noticing and wondering about the paintings you're looking at. Now, don't forget, whenever you're looking at a painting, you need to look up and down, left to right, and all over to see what you notice or wonder about that painting. You're going to look at all 3. You'll have 15 seconds for each painting to observe. Then at the end, you will write down at least one, hopefully more than that, but at least one notice and at least one wonder about the paintings. You will insert a picture of your journal. If you write it in your journal, you'll insert a picture of your journal on this page right here. If you decide that you want to type it into the boxes, that is totally fine. You can type it here in the notice and wonder chart on the slide. It's your choice, okay? All right, friends. We will continue. Make sure we do that notice and wonder chart, because over the next few lessons, you'll be learning a little bit more about artwork. And so you'll need that notice and wonder chart probably. All right. So I hope you guys have a great day. Do great work, and I know you will, and I will see you soon.
Welcome back, friends. Did you record and write? If you didn't, I suggest you go back and do that. One way to learn new ideas is to study text, and another way is to notice and wonder about a new work of art. Today, instead of studying a book, we're going to be looking closely at some works of art. And as you are looking at each painting, pay close attention to the many details you see. You are going to notice and wonder about 3 pieces of art today. You're going to have 15 seconds of silent viewing time to study each work of art. Are you ready? Let's take a look at the first work of art. Okay, now that the work of art is on your screen, you're going to have 15 seconds to silently study the painting. All right, what do you notice about this painting? What do you notice about this painting? Share with your learning partner. Here are a few things I noticed. I noticed a dark windmill, and I noticed a colorful sky. Now, what do you wonder about this painting? Share one question with your learning partner. Did you share your question or your wondering? Here are a few things I wondered. Where is that windmill? What is the yellow part on the bottom? Is it water or sand? All right, let's get ready to look at the second work of art. Remember, you will have 15 seconds to silently study this painting. Are you ready? Begin your silent study now. All right, what do you notice about this painting? Share with your learning partner. Here's some things that I noticed. I noticed a windmill by the water. I noticed the dark clouds in the sky. I also noticed that there is some blue sky coming through the dark clouds. Now, what do you wonder about this painting? I'd like you to share one question with your learning partner. Here are a few questions I had. Where is this windmill? And who made this painting? All right, friends, are you making your observations? We have one more painting left. Are you ready? Here we go. Remember, you're going to silently study this painting for 15 seconds, and that time starts now. All right, what do you notice about this painting? And one more time, you're going to share with your learning partner. What do you notice about this painting? Here are a few things that I noticed. I noticed a red windmill with a small blue window. I also noticed the windmill looks very bright against the blue. One more thing I noticed is that I can't see the whole thing. Part of the blades are out of the picture. Did you notice some of those things as well? Now, what do you wonder about this painting? Share one question with your learning partner or share aloud. What do you wonder about this painting? Here are a few things I wondered or a few questions I had. Is this the same artist as the other two? How big is it? Why did the artist make it so bright? Now, what you are going to do is you are going to write down at least one observation and at least one question that you have about these paintings. So pause the video now to write your observation and your question. Okay, did you write? If you did not, I encourage you to go back and do so because you will look at these paintings again in future lessons so that you can figure out what is happening in each painting. All right, awesome first graders. Nice job reflecting on the new knowledge you've learned and the skills that you've gained. Next time, we will examine more art, but until then, be kind and do something great because you are capable of greatness.